Fahrenheit, Indigo Prophecy. Nú, það sem gerðist í síðustu þætti var að lögreglan kom og skoðaði húsið. Þeir fundu ekkert athugavert. Þannig að það var bara spurning núna hvort vilja vera Lucas Kane í The Park eða Kalle Valenti í Police. Við verðum hún aðeins. Verðum aðeins nýra á lögreglustöð og sjáum hvað
I've got this really
búið að
bad
vera að
habit
gerast.
for a cop. Once I start working on a case, I can't think about anything else. I'm exhausted. I haven't gotten a wink of sleep all night.
Hvað þreytt.
Something's bothering me about this murder, but I just can't seem to put my finger on what it is.
Herðum. Hún lögreglustöð núna. Það var bara spurning hvað hægt að gera, sko. Já, ekki að tala þennan, þannig að þá held ég að við förum bara.
Hi, Carla.
Já,
How you doing today?
Hi, Doug. Not too bad. Is Tyler here yet?
No, not that I know of.
Nei, Tylerinn, hann var alveg smallaður í gær. Það þýðir ekki fyrir hann að ætla að mæta eitthvað fyrir allar aldir. Þetta er eldsnemma morgun, ég held sig klukkan 9. Ég sá rétt á hann. Þannig að þetta er skemmtilegt. Þannig að já. Þetta er sem sagt skrifstofan virðist vera, þannig að við
Hey,
förum bara
Carla.
beint þangað.
Can you tell your partner to pay me back that $100 he owes me? I've been waiting 6 months for it now.
Can't help you there,
Julia,
Jeffrey. Talk to him about it.
He's been avoiding me like the plague. Plus, you know, you're the only one he listens to.
Þetta er eitthvað punkari.
Catch you later, Jeffrey.
Jeffrey. Já, algjör punkari. Herðu.
Hi, Carla.
Hi, Garrett.
Oh, wait,
Það
Carla.
er allir eitthvað
I
að
got
spila.
some results back on the tests we did for that restaurant murder.
Great. As soon as Tyler gets here, we'll come and see you.
Okay, I'll be at my desk all morning.
Herðu, hann er allan að koma með eitthvað. Þannig að við
Tyler is
bíðum þá
still
bara
not
eftir
here.
Tyler. Hún
I
er að
better
veða
try to
alltaf
give him a
bara
ring.
mökk stressuð. Að Tylerinn sé ekki mættur. Hann er bara heima, alveg smallaður á því. En, herru, bara, þetta er skrifborð okkar. Já, síminn. Kallinn.
Yeah?
Know what time it is?
Oh, shit.
Get a move on. The waitress is coming this morning to flesh out the composite on the killer.
Kællingi heisur.
I'm on my
Ekki
way.
tímið. Alveg smallaður á því. Djöfusis. Engi friður. Þannig, þá þurfum við bara að bíða eftir. Nei, þá förum við bara beint yfir í Tyler. Þetta er ekki
Stay a
hægt.
little longer.
Já,
Sorry, babe, but I really gotta go.
er ekki tímið í
I'll
þetta.
make some coffee.
Okay, I'll grab a shower, get dressed, and I'm out of here.
Jæja. Það var bara að fara í styrtu. Nei, heyrðu, hvað var hann að... Þetta er Barbecue hérna. Jæja. Sett
Hey,
sig.
you're a good-looking guy, you know that?
Henda sér styrtu. Þetta er brókin eða þá. Það skiptir engin máli. Þetta er ónýtt. Smá styrtu sín. Tælennum. Það er ekki verra. Þetta er myndalegu maður. Konan farin að... Herðu, spræna líka. Eða hann bara að fara upp í topp. Það ekki neitt stressar, ekki vitund. Bara fyrir að fá okkur kaffi. Ég held ég fatt hana í stöðinni. Það bara að fá sér kaffi. Vonan frammi. Þarna komið bolli.
Go back to bed, Sam. You're gonna catch your death of cold like that.
I'm not cold.
Oh, look, Sam, please don't start. I got no intention of dying today.
I'm sick of living in fear like this. Every morning I'm terrified that something's gonna happen to you.
I know how you feel, Sam. There's a lot of violence out there. But if nobody does anything, it's all gonna go to shit. We're gonna have kids someday. I want to leave them a world that's a little better than the one we got now.
Why does it have to be you who's out there risking his life, Tyler? Why couldn't we just go to Florida and work with my family and live a normal life like everybody else? Why do I have to wonder if you're gonna die every day?
I'm just not made for that kind of life, Sam. I've been around too much violence all my life to go live some kind of normal life like that. I know you love me, babe. So try to understand me too.
Hún voru bara að skilja þetta. Tyler. Pizza, kampaðinn, ekki flókið. Einmitt. Svo hann farið fram á brókinni.
Yeah, super, Tyler. Great idea going to work in your boxers.
Fyndin. Herðu, það verður að fara að klæða okkur. Það verður bara að finna fötin, sko. Þarna. Skápurinn. Sjá, það er ekki eitthvað gott þarna. Já. Það er eitthvað gott atveit þarna í boði. Konan er ekki alveg nógu satt. Það er bara stundum þannig. Það er ekkert alltaf sattar. Það var bara. Það var bara að sætta sig við það. Herðu, getum við spjallað eitthvað hérna? Þannig förum. Nei. Drjú okkur bara vinna. Jó, förum í úlpuna. Þetta er sína vitið. Ekki sátt. Ösku ill. Aja.
Aren't you going to kiss me?
Aja, ok. Kiss and bless.
I love you, Tyler.
Gerfitt að elska Tylerinn. Kallið maður.
Hi, Tyler. Oh, Carl is looking for you.
Yeah, I know. So, you ready for retirement, man?
Yeah, I'm working on it.
Tylerinn er ekki tími í þetta.
Let it crawl.
Hey, Tyler,
Hey.
what do you know? Just the guy I was looking for.
Skuldar hann ekki þennan pening?
You remember that $100 I loaned you about 6 months ago? I'd really like for you to get that back to me as soon as possible. Like maybe now, for example.
Hann nú samt það.
Jeff, don't tell me you're prepared to ruin a beautiful friendship for $100 lousy.
This may surprise you, but yes. So give up the cash before I start to get really angry.
Yo, let me make you a deal. I'll play you a game of b-ball for your $100. If you win, I'll give you $200 right then. But if you lose, we cool.
You'll give me $200 if I win.
You got my word, man.
All right, you're on. But
Tyler
don't
er að fara
even
að
think
rústa honum
about not paying me if you lose,
í
because
bebop.
that...
Don't
Þetta er ekki
worry,
bara að vera
Jeffrey.
flókið.
I'll come by and see you when I get 5 minutes.
Hann bara fyrir henni skrifstofu.
The waitress hasn't come in yet?
She won't be long. Garrett got the lab results. Shall we go?
Hello.
All right, let me hang up my coat. I'll be right with you.
Okay.
Það er að fara að
See you in a
sjá
minute.
lab results. Það er fínt að maður þurfi að gera þetta allt sjálfur, sko, hengja upp jakkann og eitthvað svona. Það er lett að komast að þessu. Þarna, flottu bólur sem hann í. Það fórum við að skoða lab results. Sjáum hvað kom út úr þessu. Sjá, þetta er hérna.
So,
Spjallum við hann.
what do you want to start with?
Did you get the list of calls that came through the telephone at the restaurant?
Yep. There were about a dozen in the 4 hours that preceded the murder. I'll send you a list by email.
E-mailið. Herðu.
Did you get anything off of the bloody piece of cloth from the fence?
It was soaked in the victim's blood. Otherwise, it was just a fairly common piece of cloth. Nothing really special about it.
Lítið sum. Herðu.
What about the pool
Bloody.
of blood in the stall?
You're not going to believe this. The blood wasn't from the victim. It was from the killer.
What was he doing bleeding in the stall?
I have absolutely no idea.
Hann
What
var
did you
eitthvað að
find on
skera
the
sig
knife?
hérna.
Got some good prints off it. They matched those found on the fork and glass at the suspect's table.
So, the murderer was definitely at that table.
Anything on the blade?
I'm getting to that. We definitely had blood from the victim, but the weird thing is we also found blood from the killer. Frank found a book on one of the tables in the diner. It was Shakespeare. The Tempest, I think.
Did you check for prints?
Yep, and they matched the ones on the fork and the glass, so it was definitely his book. It looked like a fairly
Unless
old
Shakespeare.
book. Maybe we can get some more stuff out of it. So, what do you think about all that?
I don't have any explanation for
Þetta
the
er eitthvað
blood in the
gruggugt.
stall. The victim could have wounded the killer during a struggle, but it doesn't make sense that it would be in the stall. It's as though the killer wounded himself.
Hey, why not? You get clumsy
hárrétt.
fools in every other profession. Why not killers?
That's kind of
það
a
sker
flimsy
eitthvað í sig.
explanation, Garrett.
Það var eitthvað andi í honum.
To each his own, Carla. I do the testing, you figure out the reason why.
Thanks for your help, Garrett. See you later.
Já,
So,
herðu.
what do we do now?
You go take care of the composite. I'm gonna go check with the coroner and see if he got anything from the body.
Okay. Catch you later.
Before I go see the coroner, I'm just gonna drop by my desk and check my email.
Ok, tjekka e-mailinu fyrst. Og sjá hvað var. Já, hann inn í horni.
Hi, Carla. How are you?
Sko, nú erum við að fara inn á skrifstofu. Og sjá, förum hann inn. Svo ætlum við að fara yfir á líkhúsið. Við ætlum að skoða hvort það hefur komið eitthvað út af því. En fyrst ætlum við að skoða e-mailið af því að hann átti sko að... Hvað er þetta? Jójó. Hann ætlaði að senda listan úr símanum.
It's completely idiotic, but it helps me think.
Á jójó aðeins. Trygg. Hún er ágætt í þessu. Einmitt. Herru, nennum við þessi klinkur. Það er afleitt að vera eitthvað tímið þetta. Herru, tjekkum e-mailið. Settumst. Skoðum hvort það sé komið eitthvað. Og sjá. 12. Flott lyklaborð sem er með. Svona PlayStation 2 lyklaborð. Ok. My mail. Herðu. Valium. Og sjá. Skoðum það. reduction volume when you order online. Þetta er bara eitthvað spam. Svo tilbaka. Hi Carl, I'm sorry I wasn't able to give you any news for a while. I've been very busy with my job. Lots of kisses. Þetta er eitthvað kærti. Sjá, no title.
It's all happened before. Kirsten. What's that supposed to mean?
Okay, en við erum ekki komið með hérna með skrána úr símanum. Þetta er bara spam. Þetta er bara hérna kærastanum og svo er eitthvað grunnslegt herrið. Það eru bara búin í þessu, þannig að þessi ekki leikur. Fáum við smá cutscene. Nei, nú erum við komin í garðin.
When Marcus and I were kids, we were inseparable. He's the one who took care of me after our parents died. We kind of grew apart after he became a priest. But he's still the only person I really trust. The only one who might believe that I had nothing to do with all this mess.
Einhver æskuvinur, hann er prestur, þetta er að spjalla við hann, segja hann hvað hafi gerst og reyna að sannfæra hann að það vekir við svona drákvæmna kall.
I'm happy to see you. I missed you. It's been a while.
2 years.
Nice. Spinnast þessar.
Lucas.
I've killed a man, Marcus. It happened at a restaurant last night. It's like I was possessed, in a sort of trance, like I was a puppet on a string. I saw what I was doing, but I was powerless to stop it.
My God. I can't believe this, Lucas. Tell me that it wasn't you. You're not capable of something like that. You went to this restaurant alone?
Yeah. Tiffany and I, we broke up about a month ago. I try to get out of the apartment as much as possible. It's just so empty there without her, you know.
This murder, exactly how did it happen?
Well, after work last night, I stopped at a little diner to get something to eat. I read a book at my table, I think. And after, it's just a black hole. I don't remember anything. Right up until I found myself in the toilets with a knife in my hand. It was horrible.
Hvað var spyrja? Spyrja eitthvað í þessu?
Have you been drinking or taking drugs?
You know that I don't do that, Marcus.
Nei, hann er ekki user.
Were there any witnesses? Did anyone see you?
Probably. I got out of the restaurant as best I could. The police still haven't identified me, apparently, but it probably won't take them too long to track me down.
Nei, þeir eru á hælunum maður, herruðum.
While I was doing this horrible thing, I saw something, or rather someone.
Was somebody else there with you?
No, it was like a sort of vision. I saw a man in the middle of hundreds of candles, and there was this little girl. There's something else you need to know. I know this sounds crazy, but after the murder, I had these premonitions, like I was seeing things that hadn't happened yet. What happened to me, Marcus? What am I supposed to do now? You know me better than anyone, Marcus. Help me.
Listen, Lucas, I'm a bit lost here. This whole story is just so bizarre. It might be better. Maybe you should go and tell your story to the police, Lucas. Turn yourself in before they find you.
Do you really think the police are going to believe a story like that? They'll throw me in prison for the rest of my life, and I'll never find out what really happened.
I am a priest. The fact that you have taken a life is a very serious matter.
I told you that it wasn't me, Marcus. All these years and nothing's changed. You still never listen to me.
Lucas, don't ask me to make a choice between my faith and my brother.
Bróðir hans.
I'm not a murderer, Marcus. You're the only person I can trust. I'm just asking you to believe me.
Very well. I'll do whatever I can for you, but I can't do anything that goes against my beliefs.
Look, I need to get some answers. I'll call you.
Here. You need this more than I do.
Marcus, you know that I don't believe in all that.
Tökum hann. Þetta verður eitthvað gott. Nice. Fá trófi fyrir þetta. Og eitt líf. Þetta var góð ákvörðun held ég. Takka krossinn. Nei, anskotin. Hann í rugli. Já, heyrðu, hann komið með eitthvað kraft. Hann að sjá hluti sem að gerast. Heyrðu, björgum honum. Æja, það skiptir ekki máli. Við erum að bjarga granum. Stress. Heyrðu. Sem krakka. Nettil og bingo.
Are you sure there's somebody down there?
Yep, positive. I saw a kid fall in, and then a guy dove in to save him.
Yeah, I saw him too. It was a little while ago. He definitely should have come up by now.
And that's how my story ends. I died in the frozen waters of Central Park, trying to save the life of a young boy.
Sko, það var eitthvað þarna, einn eitthvað sko, þannig að við getum björgáðunum held ég sko. Ég ætla að reyna aftur. Ég ætla að reyna aftur björgáðunum. Við fyrir bara beint, stingum okkur út í. Hanna.
There he is. He's lost consciousness. Quick, I've got to go back up before I run out of air.
Já, ég íta hratt bara ellir nærrið. Kersti. Koma svo. Hanna. Þetta var upp. Kljóðum sig sjálfur upp. Já. Það ekki flókið. Sko, krakkinn á lífi? Nei, drullu okkur ekki bara burtu.
I know who you are, don't move.
And thus my story ends.
Herðu, ok. Nú, held ég að þetta hefnist. Björgum heldur krakkanum. Og svo þurfum við greinilega ekki fara. Þannig að fyrir okkur inn. Ég hamra bara ellir nærrið alveg á fullu. Krakkan.
He's lost consciousness.
Upp.
Quick, I've got to go back up before I run out of air.
Svo bara þrumaði mér upp aftur. Já. Þess alveg krakkinu og bingo og við klörum líka og sjá og bingo. Ok, og þá förum við ekki. Þetta erum bara rólegir, maður sjá. Stöndum upp hérna. Hjálpum aðeins krakkanum. Sjáum aðeins hvað búið að gerast. Ok, takk púlsi fyrst.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Móði ég lífið. Hanna. Takk flókið. Herru, 20.
Patrol 324. Kid just fell into the water. Send an ambulance right away.
What courage! The kid would have
died.
That guy's a hero.
He dove into freezing water to save the kid. The kid never would have made it out of there without him.
The cop recognized me. We both knew it. It's hard to say why he didn't turn me in. Maybe he decided I was even. I had taken a life and given one back. Nothing really changed for me. I was still wanted for murder by the police. but when I left that park, I knew I could look myself in the mirror again without cringing.
Ok, lögreglan þekkir hann, en hann greinlega vildi, sko, ok, hann að fara í bankan núna, hún að fara á líkhúsið, þannig að við skulum fara á líkhúsið. Ég held að það sé, geti verið áhugavert, skoða aðeins fórnarlambið, sjá hvort það sé eitthvað í gangi þar. Það er lítið lítill kall, gamall. Hún mögulega er þetta Tommy, kærastinn. Hún er eitthvað að gefa honum auga.
Okay, we're going to get started. If you prefer, you can wait outside.
I'd rather stay here if you don't mind. I've studied some medicine. I've seen dead bodies.
Oh. As you wish.
Hún hefur séð þetta allt áður.
No apparent hematoma on the body.
Get ready.
Two broken fingernails on the right hand.
Nei.
Large hematoma on the back of the cranium.
Þetta bara feil.
Fracture of the occipital bone. Abnormal dilation.
Á ég ekki að gera þetta?
Both pupils.
Ég veit ekkert
Three knife wounds between the third and fifth ribs.
Hún alveg miðsynjur.
The blade was driven in deeply.
Ég að klúðra þessi alveg hægri vinstri. Get ready, ég veit ekkert hvað.
Front and move from left to right.
Ég að gera það sem að kemur þetta. Hún í rusli yfir þessu.
Coronary arteries. He really didn't have a chance. The blade slipped right through the ribs to cut the arteries.
Did he die immediately?
No, it would be fairly slow. Probably at least 3 or 4 minutes. The time for the brain to stop functioning due to the lack of oxygen.
It was definitely the knife wounds that caused his death?
Yes. The 3 arteries leading to the heart were cut. The heart was literally disconnected from the rest of the body.
Oh, yeah.
I saw a case like this once before. It was a while back now, in the 90s, I think. Exactly the same. 3 stabs around the heart, each one cutting a main artery. It really struck me at the time. I wondered how such a thing were possible. It was the, Karsten or Kirsten, something like that.
Kirsten?
Yes, that's it, Kirsten. You know about that case?
Not yet. I'm sure as hell gonna find out.
Ok, það var annað case þar sem einhver gaur skar hjartað úr fórnarlambinu eins og Lucas hefur gert, þannig að við skulum kíkja eins í bankan. Sjá hvað anskotum er hann eitthvað lasinn. Ælandi. Það tekur á. Grilla búin að fara heim að skipta föt, en ekki. Nei, hann bara fara úr jakkan.
The migraine was back and drilling holes into my brain. And to top it off, I couldn't keep any food down. My body seemed to be fighting against something, but I still didn't know what.
Heyrðu, hérna þá endum við bara þátt 3 af Fahrenheit og við sjáumst bara næst. Takk fyrir að horfa.